If your WhatsApp G option isn't working, don't worry. In this quick tutorial, I'll guide you step by step to fix it. First, open the settings on your phone. Scroll down and tap on Apps or App Management. Inside, tap the search bar and type WhatsApp. Now open WhatsApp settings. Scroll down and select Storage. Here, tap on Clear Cache. Once that's done, go back and tap on Force Stop. Confirm by tapping OK. Next, return to your home screen and open the Google Play Store. Search for WhatsApp in the search bar. If an update is available, make sure to update the app. After updating, restart your phone. Finally, open WhatsApp again. The G option should now be working properly. That's it. Your problem is solved.